Let me show you how to achieve this unique style.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Today I want to teach you how I achieve this unique style. This material is called Asoke. So, and the length is not that long, the material is not that wide. Oh, please just concentrate. Create pleating, start from the back. Please, I want you to focus your eyes on my hand. Start from the back because the material is not that long. The length is not long. So create like 5 to 4 or 4 to 5 pleating at the back. Then what I'm doing now, I try to trace the pleating I already achieved to the front side. I am going to create V at the middle. We are going to create V for the front. Please see how the way I'm just trying to make sure the whole line are very neat. So tell your customer to hold that part for you. Then we are going to work on the other part now. What we are doing right now, we are tracing all the line like the pleating from the back. We are tracing them to the front side. As you can see, the way I'm just bringing them to the front side. Then you tell her to help you to hold that place. Then you continue your, as you can see, we already create the V. Make sure you create the V. Then I cross it. See the way I cross it. I cross it at the middle. Now we are going to use pin. This style is very, very unique. But if you know your way out, on one condition, if you know your way out. Now, I just use pin to protect there. See the way I use pin to protect there. You can use up to 2 to 3 pin for more guarantee. Okay. So, and the other side as well, you do the same thing. Use pin. Make sure you pin it to the one of the pleating. You know, we have that pleating that we cross. Just split it. Use like 2 to 3 pin. Okay, my people. Right now, we are going to create that front rufus. See the way I just take one part, then you just rufus it. Just see the way I do it. This style is very easy. Many people keep asking me, how do you achieve it? How do you achieve it? See, it's very easy. Rufus one part and use pin. Use pin. This my beautiful auntie, she's here for her photo shoot. This is her third outfit. Almost this woman know how to celebrate herself. She's here for her birthday photo shoot. Every year she always she celebrate herself, do a nice photo shoot, come up with different outfits. In case you want to do photo shoot, I have studio here in London. Book me for your photo shoot. The makeup was done off camera. We do everything all in one beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, we do the traditional bridal hair, we do everything. We do photo shoot. I take the picture. Go to my Instagram, you will see many of my work. They are there. My Instagram name is Dead Beauty. Okay, let's continue. I hope you focus. I hope you concentrate your eyes on my hand. I always say to people, that is the key. You see the way I fold the upper one. You see the way this one that was coming from this side, the way we now rufus it as well and use pin. Use pin in the area that needs pin. Now we are going to set the front, the top front. We are going to make sure we set it. Set. This style is very easy to achieve if you follow this step by step, the way I just, you see the way I do it. You see the way, because when I observe that the material is not wide and it's not long, the length is short, I say I can't just give her like very simple style. Let me come up with this style. I know it's going to, this style will suit her face, will suit her. Yes, I'm trying to set and set and set and set. Yes, so yes, as you can see, we are almost done. We are almost done. Please, in case if today is the first time you come across my video, I have more than 700 videos on my YouTube channel. different style, how you can achieve it on yourself. Different style. I don't even know the name to give to them. I have different style. I have 3 minutes church kele, head wrap. I have 2 minutes. I have different style. I have the rubber band one. I have just think of it. Any style. There's no style I don't have on my YouTube channel. Go and rock my YouTube channel. But if you want to know how we do more explanation of all my tutorial, I always do live on YouTube, but it's not on this YouTube. I have 2 YouTube. The name of the other YouTube is Deg Beauty Life. There, anytime I'm on live on Facebook doing some tutorial, the same time I'm on live on that my YouTube channel, Deg Beauty Life. Yes, for more explanation, as you can see, this is the final. Yes, so follow me in all my social media. We are here to make you happy. Yes, so I have 3 pages. Deg Beauty Life, Deg Beauty Gist. Follow me in all my social media. As you do so, God will bless you. I have 2 YouTube, Deg Beauty and Deg Beauty Life. I have Instagram, I have TikTok. In fact, I have every social media. Follow me everywhere. Deg Beauty. Oh, yeah. Thank you, everyone. She is happy. She's happy. She's super excited. I like this Asoke. This is the original one. You know, if you see original thing, you say it now. Oh, she was dancing. What was the name of this music? Oh, I can't play the music. They will give me copyright. Yes. You see. I don't know. The music, is it Buga or no? It's not Buga. What's the latest one? I forget to. No, it's not Buga. Yeah, she was so excited. This is the final. Please try and leave your comment down below for me. Leave your comment down below for me. Share to your friends and family. Press the like button. And I love you all. Happy birthday to her. Many more years to celebrate with good heads. Yes, so I am here for you people. Come and patronize me. We sell makeup product as well. We sell perfume. Yes, so thank you everyone. Let me put my music so that she will rock. She will rock and rock. As you can see all these photos. If you want to see more of the photo, go to my Instagram. I have made more of the photos as well on my Facebook, Deg Beauty. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video. Bye.
Beauty Studio. We are also specializing in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, guillotine, and a lot more. Just call on Deg Beauty.